Hey everyone, Erica with a K here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Pro Plus, which is 0.3% night cream. I got this complimentary from Neutrogena, an influencer, and I wanted to do my review. So it is fragrance free, which is nice. As you could see from this is the first time I'm using it. I just washed my face. I do have dry skin. You could see it on my nose already that I have very dry skin. So this did say that it may cause dry skin because it's like exfoliating your skin, and it did say like you might have sensitivity to it, so I was very nervous about the sensitivity, not so much the dry skin. I'm usually allergic to like everything, and it did say that it can cause like redness or a rash, and if you're not used to using retinol products, this isn't for beginners. Well, I am not used to using retinol products. It was still sent to me anyway, but I didn't have any kind of reaction. There was no rash, there was no nothing like that, and it is a smooth cream. I like that it doesn't have a scent, so I didn't break out from hives from that, which was really nice. However, I didn't notice anything spectacular with my wrinkles being gone. I still have crow's feet around my eyes, and I think that's just all part of aging, and I'm okay with that. I did do exactly as they said though, because I am like more of a beginner. I did every other day. So what you're seeing here is every other day I am applying this to my face, and then after the first week you pick up to like every day, and then so on and so forth, and you do it as you can tolerate it. I couldn't deal with it. Honestly, the dry skin that I had on my face, it was amplifying it. Like I had a little bit of dry skin on my nose. It was like, it looked like I had crust on my face all day. And you are supposed to put a cream on, you know, before, so you would wash your face, then you treat your skin for whatever you have to do, and then you'd put this on. But I couldn't deal with the dryness. I'd rather have wrinkles than have dry skin the way it was giving me dry skin, which you're going to see in this video. I definitely close up on the dry skin. And if you guys are on my channel, you guys can see in some of my other videos where I'm talking without makeup on my face. I mean, the crust is everywhere, from like around my mouth to my nose. I mean, every day my husband was like, you have crust all over your face. It was crust. And I understand that that's part of the process of like exfoliating your skin, but it just wasn't for me. And so I'm a pass on this one. If you're a retinol user, it's great. It didn't give me a reaction. As I said, if you have sensitive skin, it's great. If you're really concerned about your wrinkles, it's good. I'm sure if you use it more than 2 weeks, as I did, then you'll probably see really great results. It does say that you'll have smoother skin in a week, but as you can see here, my wrinkles are very much there when I smile, so I'm okay with that. So yeah. Okay, so I think this is the last clip of me actually using it in this video, so let's see that. I'll stop talking for a second. JK, no, I won't. So as you can see, I'm like starting to pat it on my skin a little bit more because I feel like I was just, again, getting so dry, and that's the way I've been using my skincare these days, is patting it on my face rather than like aggressively rubbing it into my face. I don't really do that anymore. But here's the zoom in on my face and how crusty it is. I didn't even I had zoomed in on my nose, but my nose was crusty to begin with, so I mean, it was dry to begin with, not as crusty as my face is. So I just went in with the brightening serum from Rockstyle Cosmetics, and that basically just got rid of any of the crust, and I discontinued use. If you're okay with a crusty face, that might not be your experience, but if it is your experience and you're okay with it, I would say pick it up. It's a nice product, it's a decent product, and again, it did not irritate my skin, which is a huge plus. That's the video, guys. I hope you like it. I love you, and I will see you guys next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It helps me out tremendously, and I love you all. I'll talk to you later. Bye.